What's up guys, Shehbaz here. So this is the final moment. This is so exciting. The final moments finally come that everyone waiting eagerly for a long time. The most exciting, the most anticipated, the most futuristic, the new Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra first impressions video. Yes, today Samsung has officially announced the epic Nights Maker, the premium Galaxy S22 Ultra. This is the flagship with the high-end features that Samsung has never made before. No more secrets, no more hypes. This is Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. Now you can make nights epic. Of greatest interest is the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, which is so similar to the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, except main camera module rectangular. So the new Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra will have a rectangular shape, and Samsung has found a way to remove the chunky camera hump. The back will be mostly flat with only the camera lenses sticking out. As far as we can tell, the cameras themselves will use the same sensors as the last years, plus a new super clear gloss lens. Though with improved image processing, the phone will be a tad wider and will finish the work on integrating the S Pen stylus that was started last year with the Galaxy S21 Ultra. The S Pen stylus will have a place inside the phone itself, making this a Galaxy Note in all but name. Finally, the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra is the top model of the range. It has the largest and highest quality display, Dynamic AMOLED 2X QHD Plus HDR10 Plus Infinity OH display with a diagonal of 6.8 inches with a resolution of 3088 by 1440 pixels. The frame rate here is adjustable in the range of 1 to 120 Hz. 500 ppi. Protection is provided by Gorilla Glass Victus. The maximum brightness is 715 nits. The amount of RAM Galaxy S22 Ultra 8 to 12 GB. Flash memory 128 GB, 256 GB and 512 GB. The battery capacity is 5000 mAh, 45 watts fast wired charging, 15 watts wireless charging, and wireless power share is also mentioned. The Galaxy S22 Ultra has its own camera. The main module is represented by a sensor with a resolution of 108 megapixel with a fast lens with an aperture of f1.8, including OIS, super clear gloss, adaptive pixel 2.4 microns, a 12 megapixel ultra wide-angle camera module with f2.2 aperture. There are two telephoto lenses in this smartphone. First, 10 megapixel 3x telephoto lens with f2.4 and OIS. Second, 10 megapixel 10x telephoto lens with an f4.9 aperture with OIS and 100x digital zoom. The smartphone has received a 40 megapixel high resolution front selfie camera with an f2.2 aperture for taking great selfies. The new Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra will receive a built-in S Pen stylus with a record highest speed of 2.4 microsecond latency with air action. For the protection and unlocking, the smartphone will receive an ultrasonic on-screen fingerprint scanner, secure processor and face unlocking. Galaxy S22 Ultra is the most expensive in the range. There are three memory options in the Ultra model that we already know. One of the most important memory option that everyone looking and waiting eagerly for Galaxy S22 Ultra with 1TB variant. According to the rumors, in the future we will see the most high-end memory option in the line, but it may launch in the selected smartphone markets. The new Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra will be equipped with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 latest processor. According to the news, there will be two processor variants, Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 versions and Exynos 2200 variant for selected markets. Here in Pakistan, we will receive a Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 processor with 4nm technology. Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra will support 8K video recording, links to Windows, Samsung DeX, Photo Remaster, Object Eraser, Pro Mode, and so on. The software platform is Android 12 with One UI 4.1 user interface. However, One UI 4.1 will be practically no different from One UI 4.0. Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra will receive Bluetooth 5.2, UWB, NFC, Wi-Fi 6E adapter 2.4 Gbps, as well as a USB 3.2 Gen 1 port. Also from the general full water protection in accordance with the degree of IP68. eSIM is supported, in addition to 2 slots for regular SIM cards. DeX support is also mentioned. The sales of smartphones will start very soon. That's it for now. For more updates, please subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. Until the next video, take care of yourself very well. Peace out.